I'm pretty much confident that the fight between Lois Sutherland and Jose Montagna gonna be very explosive. Montagna's opponent is out of the fight and he is having a hard time this time. The 6'4" giant is going to fight very dangerous Lois Sutherland and that Curitiba fight, bro, he destroyed Bruno de Jesus, Johan Ribeiro. Should have fought Marek Boyle and Johanata Deniz. Fight's not coming to fruition, but Lois Sutherland accepted the short notice call. He destroyed Taito Ivasa, but lost to Brando Pericic and Walter Walker. And I'm very much confident that Lois Sutherland will have to counter, and Montagna will be going for a submission takedown. And if he takes his opponent down, he has a good chance to win. But Sutherland is a heck of a striker with excellent takedown defense, and I believe Sutherland has what it takes to knock him out. But I'm saying the fight will not go the distance.